I'm Paul Buckner, partner at Downie Stewart, law firm in Dunedin. I work in the commercial area of the firm, specialising in buying and selling businesses. A key aspect of a business purchase is the premises lease. It is very important that the lease is thoroughly checked out by a lawyer to make sure that you have the tenure that you're after and able to operate your business from the premises that are currently operating. I have experience in preparing leases for landlords and reviewing and advising tenants in respect to leases already prepared. I also have experience in assisting landlords to exercise their rights under leases, even to the extent of terminating tenants. Of course, I also act for tenants at times, trying to avoid eviction, so I'm familiar with all areas of leasing. There are many forms of leases. Today, most in New Zealand are in Auckland District Law Society form, but there are leases out there in BOMA form, which are Building Owners and Management Association. These are common internationally, not so much in New Zealand, but if you have a lease which looks unusual, then you should get it checked out because the terms do change. It is important that the terms are understood and obligations, warranties and your rights are identified. Key components of the lease include the term, how long you have on the premises, obviously the rental, how much it's going to cost, the reviews of the rental, the rights of renewal, so you might have the opportunity to extend the term of your lease, the rights of assignment. Where you sell your business, you want to ensure that you're able to move on the lease with that business. It obviously affects the value of your business if you're unable to assign your lease. You need to be aware of any effect of any default under the lease, and to that end we very closely look at the dispute procedure in the lease, which is more than often mediation, but could be arbitration, where somebody is appointed to just make a decision without an agreement between the parties. We also look at the maintenance obligations, particularly from a tenant's perspective, and the ongoing obligations which often exist even after you may have assigned the lease. You may still have some obligations under it, so you must be aware of those at the outset. If you have any questions regarding leases, either from a landlord perspective or from a tenant perspective, please contact me at Downie Stewart, Dunedin Lawyers.